This is the Strock yard, and it drains back to the southwest corner. You can see that this is dry as you walk along the fence all the way up the fence. This is our property, which is lower than the Strock property. As you can see by this ridge, there's no water rushing down the mountain into this swale. The swale's dry. Strock property is high and dry. However, as you can see, the Strock property drains down to this corner. And as you get down here, you will see on the other side of this fence, here's the water coming down the Strock property, and then it goes underneath the fence right here, and it flows down along this fence down here to these big puddles. I got one puddle here, it'll be easier to see. On the other side, I got a giant puddle down here in this corner, which there's a dam here made out of rock walls all along this corner. And what is happening is it's flowing from this entire property all the way down the hill till you get to this corner, and so you can see it with a light how it's flowing here, and you can see it up there coming across right here. And as you move, you will see here it's coming across right there onto our site. And then from here, again, it's coming off of this corner, and lo and behold, it goes into, and by the way, right there is a property stake. So it comes off of their yard into the trench where Mike Hegedus has dug it. As you can see, we are lower by about a good 2 feet from the corner of the Strock property. From here down, there's a stake, down into the trench, and then there is water in the trench now. Not much, but it goes this way. Now this is our property. There's no water running down our property and into the trench. The only water in the trench is from the Strock property. This is all high and dry. There's no leaf runoff or anything else when you get into the trench. High and dry, no water, solid ground. No water. As a matter of fact, you can see there's actually, topo comes down, and there's actually a hump up and then down into the trench, then up again. So all this water is coming from the Strock property. And it's pretty easy to see the contours from here. of exactly where this is going. Strock property is higher than ours. And we can walk along here. You can see it's all, here's the planks going across, and this is all dry up here. Dry, 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 dry. There's the next set of planks. And even here, where there's a supposed path heading up, there's no water coming off of the hill and into this ditch. The ditch is already filled up with water from above.